अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। कैफ़ हालुकुमा? कैसे हैं आप लोग?
बखैर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह व कैफा हालुकी अंती।
बिखैरिन व आफ़िया अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। So how's going your practice, Zainab and Naveen?
बस मैंने तो प्रैक्टिस बिल्कुल नहीं की।
Combined practice is not happening till now. I tried, but we have some time issue. I think timings issue. That's why.
All right. And what about the homework? Have you done this homework, which you can see on the screen?
Half. I've done it half.
Okay.
We did it in the, but,
Yes, Naveen?
we did it in the class.
Yes.
Yeah, we did.
I have shared in the group, and also we have done it in the class yesterday. Do you understand what is it all about, Naveen?
Yes, yes. Yes, actually, I was in office in the morning till evening, and then I went to the doctor, and I came back around 12 p.m. In fact, a.m.
All right. After the class, we will discuss about the um, timings. If there would be some timing issue you would have, so we should have to figure it out. All right. Right now, tell me that what we have done so far. First of all, let me clear to you that wait a minute. Yeah. Okay. It was the word through which we have started. Okay, in Arabic, what is the word? How many types of the word? Yes, Zainab and Naveen.
3.
Ism,
Ism fail.
fail, har.
Ism, fail, harf. All right. And what else we do? In Ism, so far what we have done?
Doer of the
Status,
act.
gender,
Uh,
number, type.
We are
Adjective,
yeah.
verb.
In Ism, we have discussed about 4 properties, right?
Yes.
But so far, we only have done how many properties?
Status and
Only status.
gender.
So far, we have done only status.
Okay.
All right. And for the status, we have to straight away go to see the Muslim chart. Do you remember, guys?
Yes.
All right. So, wait. Okay. How many status we have? Yes, Zainab.
3.
How many status we have?
Rafa, nasab, jar.
Exactly. Rafa. What is Rafa?
Subject,
Doer.
doer.
Yeah, doer or subject, right? Okay. What is this second status?
Nas.
Nasab,
Okay. What is nasab?
और क्या फुल
Detail.
करना है?
Detail.
खुला है
Details or object. And jar. Third status is jar. What is it?
After all.
After of. Is there any example can you give?
The house of now.
Allah's book.
Allah's house.
Our
In alternative way, how would we say the word Allah? House of Allah. So the word Allah is jar. Why? Reason is what is the reason?
coming after of.
Exactly. Good job. All right. So, and you also can say the possession, right? It would be the possession.
आराम आराम से फुल करो
Right? Possession means something like you can say his property, his book. So the book of his. Likewise, this is the possession, right? Book of his or his book. So this is all about what? Possession. All right, we should have to say that what would be the possession and which comes after of. That word would be jar. Got it?
Yes.
So far, do you have any confusion or question? Yes.
Flexible, non-flexible, they are.
Yeah. We are going
of the
ahead
pattern.
step by step, so we can revise it in a glimpse, so we can know that how much we have done so far. All right. Now we will go
Yes.
for the whatever we have done, like Muslim chart. हमने कर लिया था. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Okay. In Muslim chart, we have done these all status, Rafa, Nasab, and Jar. All right. So after knowing that we have done the Rafa, Nasab, and Jar through the Muslim chart, now after that, what we have done? Heavy versus
Right.
light. And which part is relevant to
Flexible.
heavy versus light? We are still on the status. We are still in the first property of ism. All right.
Yes.
This is also a part of, we have two parts basically, you can say. We have two parts in ism, in status, sorry. Like heavy versus light and flexibility. So we can easily remember that what we have done so far. These two parts we have done, heavy versus light and flexibility. All right. So I hope you have the clarity towards understanding the heavy versus light. What is heavy and what is light? Can you explain something?
By default, it's heavy. Or if it's
By
light,
default?
it's heavy.
Okay. By default, there would be a word. There would be a word is heavy. There is no reason. There's no reason to be needed. There is no reason needed to be To be what? Heavy. But to be light, there might be some reason needed. All right. Like for instance, this is the Muslim chart and we have the Muslim chart heavy or light?
Heavy.
Both.
No, we have heavy Muslim chart.
What is heavy?
We have heavy Muslim chart, Zainab. And
Yes.
yes, and we should know that how we can make it light.
Okay.
The reason to be light, we should know that why it is light. So later on we would discuss more about it. For now, there should be understanding in our head that why we are learning all of this. Why we are learning all of this? To understand the Quran, to understand the Arabic. Okay? जब हम as we move ahead, we just come to know that why did we learn all of that. Heavy is heavy जो है ना वो by default होता है, ठीक है? यानी उसके लिए कोई रीजन नहीं रिक्वायर्ड होता, बट यानी रफा और तनवीन, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, रफा क्या होता है? यानी बैतुन, मुस्लिमुन, ठीक है? ये बाय डिफॉल्ट होता है, हमने पीछे पढ़ा था, ठीक है, मुस्लिम चार्ट में. बट हैवी ऑल्सो वी शुड नो बैतुन, मुस्लिमुन और वट एवर द वर्ड वुड बी, they would be rafa by default. Like you can say this is by default. There would no reason needed. But if there would be baitin, so we have to see the context to make the sentence. Baitin or baitan. ठीक है? And to make some word lighter, there would be a reason needed. ये हम later on पढ़ेंगे कि हम light बनाने के लिए क्या वो है, exception है, ठीक है? For now हमारी clarity इतनी होनी चाहिए कि हमें पता हो कि what is heavy and what is light and how can we make it. Like for instance, अगर हम मुस्लिम चार्ट देखें, okay, ये मुस्लिम चार्ट, this is the light Muslim chart which we have made. Why it is light? Because we have dropped the N. तनवीन हमने drop कर दिया, नून का sound drop कर दिया. That's why it is light version. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, नवीन, यहाँ तक समझ आ गई ये चीजें? Yes. और जब हमारे पास yes, here it is. नहीं, ये flexible. Here it is. When we would have the al with the word, so ये irrelevant हो जाता है, invalid हो जाता है. Neither light nor heavy. It would be irrelevant if there would be al in the word. ठीक है? Got it?
Yes.
Can we move? ठीक है. अब हम नीचे आते हैं, हमने flexibility पढ़ा है. So we should have to know how many types of flexibility we would have. What does the mean of flexibility? Which can move or
Yes.
which can be changed easily, right? Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So now let's come on first part of flexibility, what would it be? हमारे पास first flexibility की type क्या है? Second.
fully flexible.
Fully flexible. Yes, Naveen, what is your understanding towards the fully flexible?
जो अरेबिक होते हैं और थ्री वर्ड्स 3 लेटर्स पे होते हैं और उनका दरमियान वाला लेटर सुकून में होता है।
देखिए हमारे पास जो है ना, लेट्स सी द चार्ट, यहाँ आते हैं। अगर आप ये टिप्स अपने पास लिख लेंगे ना तो यू वुड हैव नो कंफ्यूजन। ये हमारे पास 4 वर्ड्स है ना, ये वाले इस चार्ट में, दीज आर अरब प्रॉफिट्स जो कुरान पाक में दिए गए हैं, ठीक है। ये हमने याद करने, वी हैव टू मेमोराइज दीज फोर प्रॉफिट्स नेम्स जो कि फुली फ्लेक्सिबल है, ठीक है। तो वी कैन से अरब नेम्स फुली फ्लेक्सिबल कैटेगरी में आते हैं, राइट। अरब नेम्स वो हमने देख लिए कौन कौन से हैं, मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, हूद अलैहिस्सलाम, सोलेह अलैहिस्सलाम and Shoaib अलैहिस्सलाम. These 4 are Arab names. That's why they are coming in the category of fully flexible. The other point is that all the common or common words or general words comes in this category. Third point is, if there would be 3-letter word, 3-letter word or name with sukoon on middle letter. कौन सा हमने पढ़ा था? लूतन, लूतन, लूतन। डू यू रिमेम्बर गाइस? हमारे पास
जी।
जो 3-letter वर्ड्स वाले वर्ड्स होंगे, अरबिक वर्ड्स जिनमें बीच के लेटर में सुकून होगा, देन they also would be in the category of fully flexible. That's it. Now let's move on to the okay. Now let's move on to the partly flexible or non-flexible. Wait. ये बार बार इसलिए रिवाइज करवा रही हूँ मैं, ताकि अगर आप लोगों की कोई भी confusion still, if you have still any confusion in your head, so you have to kindly ask, okay. Partly flexible में क्या होता है, ज़ैनब आप बताएं।
इस fully
not
flexible
take out
में
What?
मिस fully flexible में आप कहना चाह रही हैं कि सारे कॉमन नाउन आ जाएंगे, right?
जी, exactly. And Arab names. Okay, I know Arab names जो हैं वो proper noun में आते हैं, but Arab names और नॉन अरब नेम्स में यही डिफरेंस है कि नॉन अरब नेम्स जो हैं वो किस में आते हैं, पार्टली फ्लेक्सिबल में। Yes, Zainab and Naveen, I hope you are clear.
तनवीन नहीं होती।
जी जी मिस।
जी जी जी। बाबा को बोल।
अच्छा, नॉन अरब नेम्स आते हैं, फीमेल नेम्स आते हैं, प्लेसेस नेम्स आते हैं, प्रॉपर नाउन्स,
अच्छा।
प्रॉपर नाउन्स या नेम्स आप कह लें। And what else? No kasra and no tanween, right?
Yes.
ठीक है, ये जो है, ये पॉइंट्स हैं जो हमने जहन में रखने हैं while we see the word, either it would be falling in fully flexible category or partly flexible category. Like for instance, let's see the chart of here. See, आयशतु आयशता आयशता. अच्छा, कल हम लोग 2-3 वर्ड्स में कुछ स्टक हुए थे. Let's discuss about those words. Like here, I told you the Jahannam word. Am I right, Zainab?
Yes.
Miss.
So, yeah, let me clarify it. See, this is Jahannam. Jahannamu. ठीक है, Jahannama. Jahannama. Why it is coming in partly flexible? क्या समझ आ रही है आपको? Why Jannah is not partly flexible?
Place name.
It's fully flexible. If Jannah is fully flexible, then why Jahannam is partly flexible?
Non-Arab name.
Sorry?
It is a non-Arab name. A
No,
proper
this is
noun.
not. This is the word. This is the word for place. This is the word for place. As I told you, that if there would be a word for place, that would not come in partly flexible. Because in partly flexible, we would have the proper names. Proper names means Dallas or Makkah. These are proper names of the city, right? So that's why they will come on in partly flexible. In fully flexible, we only use the common names like common places, park and masjid, mosque, and what else? Malls. These are the common places, right? So
Schools हो सकते हैं.
likewise, Jannah means garden. And Jahannam is not the common place. It's a stage, like there are multiple stages of Jahannam. So this is one of the stage name. Jannah is not the stage name, it's a common place name, garden, and there might be some stages in Jannah. Like for instance, you can say Adan. Adan is the one of the stage in Jannah. Al-Firdaus is one of the stage in Jannah. So these are the stages. So these can be common and these can come into the category of fully flexible. Because these are the proper names. Jannah is the common place. That's why it is called the common name. I hope you are getting my point. Yes.
Yes, Jannah is also used for a garden.
Jannah means
When we
garden.
translate it,
Basically, Jannah means garden. जैसे सूरह कहफ में दिया हुआ है ना, जन्नतानी. There are two gardens of some person which are mentioned in Surah Kahf, right?
जी. उसका तर्जुमा यही है कि 2 बाग थे उसके पास.
Exactly. So Jannah means garden. Adan also means garden, but Adan is one of the stage in the garden. So it's a specific name of the specific place. That's why it's a proper name, not a common name. Al-Firdaus is also a stage. Likewise, Jahannam is also a stage. It's not a common place. Like you can say, he has the Jahannam, she has the Jahannam, right? I hope you are getting my point. Yes, Naveen, is there any?
Jahannam means Naveen is not here. I think he left. Jahannam is Jahannam. Jahannam translate when we
Jahannam
translate it.
is the place
Jahannam.
where people on the day of judgment, people would go and get the punishment and this and that, right?
Yes, we can say it's a proper noun.
Yes, it is a proper. That's why it's coming in partly flexible, right?
Okay.
So far,
ये ता मरबूता एंड में ता मरबूता है जिन वर्ड में, जैसे जन्नत के एंड में ता मरबूता है, या कुछ नेम्स के एंड में है, मक्का के एंड में है। तो ये ता मरबूता भी जो है वो जैसे आपने अलिफ मकसूरा और ममदूदा का बताया था कि वो जो है वो नॉन फ्लेक्सिबल है। तो इसी तरह जिनके आखिर में ता मरबूता आता है तो वो जो है पार्टली फ्लेक्सिबल होते हैं, या इससे
Tamarbuta,
कुछ फर्क नहीं है?
see, Tamarbuta is mentioning that we have to check the Muslim chart. Either it would be feminine or masculine. That's it. Nothing else. It doesn't
ओके।
matter that either it would be masculine or feminine. We just have to focus on the flexibility of the word with the ending letters. Okay?
फीमेल नेम्स आपने किसमें बताए थे कि कौन सा टॉपिक इसमें बताए थे? इनमें तो
Female
पार्टली
names
में।
partly flexible में बताए थे. Names हैं वो. Jannah is not the name. Jannah is the place.
यस
And it
यस
is
यस
it's not the
आई
name, it's not the place name. It's a word for place. Okay? We have to
वर्ड फॉर प्लेस इज फुली फ्लेक्सिबल।
exactly place word for place would fall in fully flexible, and names for place would fall in partly flexible. Okay?
अन लगने से इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, या ये मतलब इरेलीवेंट वगैरह तो
नहीं
हैवी और
नहीं,
लाइट में है ना,
इररेलेवेंट,
अगर
हाँ,
अन लग जाए तो?
इररेलेवेंट हैवी एंड लाइट में ही आएगा। इसके अंदर देयर वुड नो there it doesn't matter that al is coming or not. We should have to focus on that. Either it would be flexible, fully flexible, partly flexible, or non-flexible. Okay?
यस, इट्स बिट डिफिकल्ट। फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी हैवी लाइट इज इजी,
Yeah, it
बट
really
दिस इज
needs the access practice. Practice makes the man perfect, you know that. So you have to do a lot of practice for this. Okay?
I I take out time and I learn myself when nobody is available, because Nida is busy or she will take out time. Last time I messaged her, so it was difficult for all the others to gather.
Zainab, I
Everyone has some problem.
I would suggest you have to check the recordings and you have to do the practice, and you can send me the audio if there would be any confusion. If no one is interested in having the practice sessions, because I would be strict with Naveen and Sumaira that they guys have to take a practice session at least once in a week. It is very important. Otherwise, we will not get to understand that how can we overcome the weaknesses towards understanding and having the grip to understand the Arabic in Quran, right?
You're right.
So you are not
Yeah,
supposed to give up. You have to do the practice. You have to take out some time at least daily on regular basis at home and do the practice. If there would be some confusion, immediately go send me the audio that I am stuck in here and I have some confusion here. So I will definitely let you know about that in text or audio. Okay?
okay, I will do this. अच्छा, एक आपने ये चीज और बताई थी कि जो ये मस्कुलिन नेम है ये नोट्स के अंदर था, मस्कुलिन नेम्स विद नो फीमेल काउंटर पार्ट, यानी ऐसे नाम जिनके कोई फीमेल काउंटर पार्ट नहीं है वो भी पार्टली फ्लेक्सिबल हैं। ठीक है, तो हमारे पास बहुत सारे नाम ऐसे हैं जो कि जिनके फीमेल काउंटर पार्ट होते हैं, जैसे शाहिद है, उससे शाहिदा, तो शाहिद वर्ड जो है वो फुली फ्लेक्सिबल में आएगा। जिन मस्कुलिन नेम्स के हम फीमेल काउंटर पार्ट बना सकते हैं वो फुली फ्लेक्सिबल है।
Non-Arab names all comes in partly flexible. That's it. Fully flexible
नॉन
में
अरब नेम्स का
सिर्फ
फिर पता कैसे चलेगा कि कौन
listen,
से नॉन अरब नेम है, कौन से?
fully flexible में सिर्फ अरब नेम्स आएंगे। अब जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि कुरान पाक में जिन 4 अरब प्रॉफिट्स का नाम है वो हमारे पास चार्ट में है, और मैं आपसे शेयर भी कर दूंगी, ये बुक ही शेयर कर दूंगी, आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, इसको गो थ्रू कर लीजिएगा। और इसके अलावा हमने जो भी अरब नेम देखना है, अब हमें पता नहीं चलता समटाइम्स कि अरब नेम कौन सा है, बट ग्रेजुअली एंड साइमल्टेनियसली हमारी जब अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप होगी तो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हमें ये चीजें समझ आना शुरू हो जाएंगी इंशाल्लाह। सो कीप इट इन योर माइंड, Either it would be a masculine name or feminine name. All non-Arab males names comes in partly flexible, not in fully flexible name. Okay.
Okay.
And one more
But
thing. Yeah.
yes, yes.
Say yes.
I'm saying that only exceptions are three-letter words. They are fully flexible.
Yes, exactly. If there would be three-letter word or name with sukoon on middle letter. Lut alayhi salam's name is not Arab names. It's non-Arab name, but there would be three-letter word and middle word is on sukoon. So that's why it is in coming in fully flexible. Okay.
Okay.
This is the exception.
Oh,
Or yeah.
okay.
Anything else?
अब जो भी हम कंट्रीज के नाम बोले या किसी स्पेशल ओनली इफ वी से ओनली हॉस्पिटल मुस्तशफा तो दैट इज ये तो पार्टली ये तो फुली फ्लेक्सिबल सॉरी ये तो नॉन फ्लेक्सिबल होगा अगर मुस्तशफा हम वर्ड यूज करें
Exactly. Good job.
फिर में
Yes.
तो यार
Yes. It would be non-flexible.
it would be मुस्तशफा
Right?
ओनली मुस्तशफा
See, now you are getting the
देयर आर
point.
एक्सेप्शन
Now you are getting understand, right? Gradually and slowly you will get to know, inshallah.
इंशाल्लाह
All right?
it will take time inshallah yes I will have any issue then I will inform you and take guidance from you कल दो हमारे वर्ड्स थे और मुसैतिर और इत्तिगा आप कह रही थी कि उसकी मीनिंग बताऊंगी मैं नहीं देख सकी
Exactly, मैं आपको बताती हूँ.
तो जी
Wait a minute. Yes, so let's come on to the non-flexible. Non-flexible में हमने क्या बताया था? इसमें मौसूल what are इसम मौसूल?
अल्लज़ी ये
अल्लती, अल्लजीना.
अल्लती जी
Good. And
और इसमें मौसूल दोनों
yes, and pointer words हाजा, हाजिही, उलाइका, हाउलाई, right?
जी
And
वो usually the words which usually ends with alif or ya
yes, अलिफ मकसूरा कहते हैं इसको. या नहीं है, ये अलिफ मकसूरा है. ठीक है. या वो होता है जिसके नीचे दो नुक्ते होते हैं. लाइक फॉर इंस्टेंस हमने क्या किया था? मूसा.
मूसा ईसा याह्या
एग्जैक्टली. दुनिया. इस तरह के
दुनिया
वर्ड्स जो अलिफ और अलिफ मकसूरा पे एंड होते हैं. लाइक फॉर इंस्टेंस यहाँ हम आते हैं. अब ये देखें, ये यहाँ पे इन्होंने वर्ड्स दिए हैं. कुछ नाम जो हैं अल से आते हैं. जो अल से नाम आते हैं ना, वो फुली फ्लेक्सिबल होते हैं. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ टिप. यहाँ हम इसको ऐड कर देते हैं ऊपर पॉइंट में. अल से जो नाम आते हैं स्टार्ट्स falls in this category. ठीक है, लाइक आप ये देखें, अल इराक, अल इराकू, अल इराका, अल इराकी, और ये फुली फ्लेक्सिबल में आता है।
पर किसी भी हम अल नहीं लगा सकते, जैसे पाकिस्तान के आगे हम अल पाकिस्तान बना दें इसको।
नहीं,
जैसे
हम खुद नहीं लगा सकते,
फिक्स्ड है।
हम खुद नहीं लगा सकते पर्टिकुलर
जी
जो
जी, ये फिक्स्ड है ना।
सॉरी,
मैंने कहा ये फिक्स्ड है वर्ड, जैसे अल इराक को अल इराकी कहा जाएगा।
एग्जैक्टली, इसी तरह अल हिंद को हिंद कहा जाएगा। देखिए ये एक्सेप्शंस है ना, ये एक्सेप्शनल है, ठीक है।
जी
जैसे ये देखिए, ये अदनुन, अदनन, अदनन, अदन, ये 3 लेटर वर्ड्स आ गए। अच्छा, हमने मुसैतिर की बात करी थी ना।
जी जी।
अच्छा, एक एक तो ये वर्ड है ना, इब्तिगा, ये रह गया था। ये फुली फ्लेक्सिबल है क्योंकि हमने, वी हैव, एक सेकेंड, वी नो अबाउट दैट। Okay, we know that only ending sound alif and ya, alif and alif maksura comes in non-flexible. But here you can say, you can see that there is no alif and alif maksura.